For questions like this, you may want to end up taking a picture of the problem and putting it in OneNote. That way you can actually write on it and highlight and that kind of thing. So it says the drama club is printing t-shirts for its members. The printing company charges a certain amount for each shirt plus a setup fee of $40. Okay, so we've got a setup fee of $40. There are 21 students in the drama club. If there are 21 students in the drama club and the t-shirt order costs a total of $187, how much does each t-shirt cost? Show your reasoning. Okay, so we need to figure out some variables. So we're going to let T equal total costs. We can let C equal cost of each t-shirt. All right, so if we're trying to find the total cost, the total cost is going to be, so the total cost is going to be $40 plus your 21 students times the cost of each shirt. So if each student's getting a shirt, then that's going to give us our value. All right, so we know that the total cost is $187. So we need to solve this. Okay, by setting that up and dividing, we end up getting $7 per shirt, because that equals C. Okay, and by showing all your work here and doing your let statements, that's a way kind of to easily show what your thought process is. All right, the equation 201.50 equals F plus 650.21 represents the cost of printing the shirts at a second printing company. Find the solution to the equation and state what it represents in this situation. All right, so we have 201.50 equals F plus 650 times 21. So that's going to represent the cost of printing the shirts at a second printing company. We need to find the solution to the equation. All right, so we're going to figure out that it looks like it costs $6.50 per student in this case. All right, so let's see, half of 21. Let's do 21 times 6 is 126, plus half of 21 is going to be 1050. Okay, real quick math there. So that would be 136.50. We can take away that 136.50. Which is $65. So that is going to match up with the initial setup fee. So in this case, the setup fee is a little bit more for this company. Okay, so there was a lot to that question that we needed to break up. So you need to go back through. I want you to think about it, and then you can redo that question if you want.